As it's Mike and William Doss, you are not going to believe what he brought over to the house. Look at this thing. If this doesn't fit narxkart territory, I don't know what does. Started as a 97 Accord, so probably makes 400 horsepower. You know, those Accords are super fast. Basically cut the front end off at the firewall and then built the frame forward. Mazda Miata MX-5 front suspension. What year is it from?
99, I do believe.
Cool, so 99. So it's, I mean, not that any of those are bad, but it would be a good one. This thing is awesome. So obviously, basically everything stock, radiator mount and everything in the place it was. So it's easy to buy parts for. This is something we'll build next for sure. Something fun like this. Factory Honda Accord gas tank. He kept the key switch and everything from the Honda, kept the shifter and everything, all the gauges. I mean, basically, you took the Honda apart and made this happen.
Yeah.
What do you think it weighs? 1,800 pounds maybe?
I was thinking 15 to 18, something like that. I'd like to get it weighed.
That thing is a blast, I bet. Got his glove box here. Got a full-on racing seat. Where'd that come from? Just eBay?
Had it. Friends had it. He had pulled it out of his Honda.
Oh, yep. Same stuff for the cart too. Just gets all that stuff. Man, that is awesome. All right, guys, I had a blast. I hope William did too. He's built a ton of cool stuff over the years. So I hope to do more videos kind of like this, quick, short, have folks stop by. We kind of do a review, not really a review, but a walk around of their car. Walk around, what the word I'm looking for there. So if you like that kind of stuff, obviously, we'd appreciate it if you subscribe. And we post every Tuesday and Friday here on YouTube at 7 p.m. And then Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok mostly every day. So find us there. Thanks a bunch.